Okay, so I just wanted to create a quick video on how the eSign works. I have my host file changed. Now, at 11 p.m. Saturday night, you won't have to change your host file, um, but in an effort to make it easy to understand the process, I want to show you how this all works. So basically, I'm going to build a lease, just as I normally would through our system. Now this right now only applies to premium members. So free members will not get the option to build to use eSign. Okay, so I can just click create new lease. I have a little bit of a slow connection, but I think it will be good enough for what we're doing today. So like I said, we build a lease as we normally would. We're going to select which property we want. That can be anything, doesn't matter. This one, we're actually going to choose Christina as the tenant. And I can just go right to the last page of Lease Builder and click Finish. And what will happen is after this bar is over, we'll have an eSign option. So this is part of the new process. So we'll have eSign. Now, where we want to add a checkbox here to make people preview before signing, and we hope to have that live soon. The reason is people have not at this stage viewed the document yet. So we want to make every effort that they view the document before clicking eSign. We actually have to pay for eSign through HelloSign after they click this button. So that's a part of the process we'd like to improve and change. This is basically how it works now. Another important thing is your email has to be verified in order to build a lease and then immediately sign it. Otherwise, you'll have to sign through an email link. I'm going to get started here. I'm signing now as a landlord. The date is filled in automatically. I like to just choose type in. It's very quick and easy. And basically that inserts the landlord's signature throughout the document with one button. Some documents don't have a landlord signature, some do. I think no other ones do on this example. Oh, maybe the, let's see. Okay, we don't have a lead-based paint. There is a lead-based paint document that requires a landlord's signature. So that takes care of that. And now we're basically done from a landlord perspective, e-signing. What happens now is an email gets sent. Okay, this is perfect. They just updated this text. A signature request has been sent to the tenant. Great. This is part of the new process, so we got that. And what should happen now is I should get an email, hopefully, that my, for the tenant to sign. And I know they're updating the system, so I'm not sure if that's going to work right here. But anyway, the next part of the process would basically be this email right here that says a lease is available for your signature. You would click this link, and once doing so, you would do the same process as the landlord did. It would open up an iframe window. You proceed with signing the lease. And then basically, after you're done, for the tenant side of signing, you would get this final email, which is a copy of your signed lease, which I can show you that. Well, it's just basically it's going to open up this old box, and then you're just going to download the premium lease here. And that's basically it. Oh, you'll also know that this is an executed or this is a signed lease. Right now you're going to see test until about 11 o'clock tonight on the document. But as soon as you see that at the bottom of every page, you know that that is going to contain the signatures. So you see the initials here, and you'll see at the end here both parties signing it with the date, and also on the addendums. That addendum actually doesn't have it, but this does, and this does. So we can test. Now, another important thing to note is that if there's more than one tenant, the addendums will always only show one tenant signing, even if there's more tenants. The lease will show more than one tenant signing, and also will show the initials of more than one tenant. But the addendums at this time won't. It's going to be quite a bit of programming to make that happen, more than one tenant signing addendums. So that's going to be a little bit of a workaround for a period of time. And we hope to have that resolved, in hopefully a week or two. But that's the basic rundown of how the eSign works. And let's see if I got that email. It looks like I did not get that email yet for the tenant to sign, but it's basically the same process. All right, I hope that is helpful for you guys. And thanks for your help in the project.